Do you have a hole or a tear in your favorite nylon dry gear, spray skirt, or neoprene skirt? Hi, I'm Sid, and today I'd like to take a few minutes to show you how to patch your skirt or your nylon gear at home. Today we will be using Gear Aid products, our neoprene patch and our self-adhesive patches. There are a few other options available either through online or the do-it-yourself repair route, but today we will be focusing on the Gear Aid products and their use. So first things first, we want to clean and prep the area. If there's any loose threads or frayed edges, you want to trim those up with a sharp pair of scissors. Then take some rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth and clean any oil or dirt from the area. This will help the patch adhere properly. You want to cut your patch so it extends an inch past the edges of the tear. You want to round your corners so they don't catch on anything. This will help prolong the life of the patch. For neoprene patches, it's the same process. You just still want to ensure that the patch extends at least an inch past the edges of the tear. To make the patch permanent, cover it with a large enough piece of parchment paper. Use an iron at a low setting for about 20 seconds. Smooth all the way around the patch. For nylon patches, press the two pieces together, working from the center out to eliminate any bubbles. After all the bubbles are removed and the edges are smooth, place a weight or something substantial on top. Let it set for about 24 hours until fully cured. Once it's cured, check your edges to make sure it's sealed. And you're all done. Your gear is ready for the water again. If you have any issues or questions regarding repairs, please feel free to give us a call. We're always here to keep your gear and your adventures on track.